Alarm 4000 results when the tool unclamp signal is lost during tool unclamp or arm rotation. During the tool change, air pressure to the TRP is lost because the unclamped solenoid has failed either mechanically or electrically. When this happens, the machine senses that the TRP is no longer in the unclamped position, and alarm 4000 occurs. If the problem is intermittent, try to restore the tool changer and then troubleshoot the solenoid problem. Press Recover to clear the alarm and recover the tool changer. Let's troubleshoot this alarm. Remove any tools from the spindle and current carousel pocket. Command at least 10 tool changes. Listen for a popping sound as you check the voltage of the unclamped solenoid. If the voltage is there but the popping sound is not, the solenoid has failed. Make sure you have both voltage and the popping sound for each tool change to rule out an intermittent electrical or mechanical fault. Or if there's no voltage at the solenoid, contact your Haas factory outlet so they can look into it.